Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a spinach soup. For this dish I'll be using this spinach. There are varieties of spinach available in the market. I don't know the exact name for this, but I'm using this one. And I'll be using one tomato and one onion and a little bit of cheese and also salt and little bit of chili powder. The quantity of chili powder can depend upon what you can take. So now let's clean up the spinach. So I usually prefer to throw the last end of the spinach because it's hard. Basically it's takes more time to cook, so I just throw it. So in Bhutan, we call this dish as Jaju, which is basically a spinach soup. And we get this dish as a complimentary when we order a dish in a restaurant. Dish in the sense like if you, we are like Asian and we take more rice. So when we order rice and curry, we get this as a complimentary in most restaurants. Not all, but most. And also it is very easy and simple to make. Add a little bit of oil and the onions and stir fry for some time. Add the chopped tomato as well. And then add the spinach and stir fry for some times until it gets soft and the quantity of the dish will also reduce. That's when you know when to add the cheese. Add the salt for the taste. Now it's time to add our cheese. Cheese is now fully melted, so we can add some chili powder to it. Chili powder is very optional here. If you prefer it spicy, you can add chili, or else you can skip this part. Mix it well, and then here you can add water to it. I add 3 cups of water. Depending on the thickness of the soup you want, you can add the water according to it. I let it boil for some time after putting on the lid for 2 minutes, and then added a garlic to it for the taste. Now we are finally done with the soup and it is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to the channel.